You're going to create a mug using Blender in about 60 seconds. And the craziest part is that you can download and use this 3D model completely for free right now, using the links in the description below. Download Blender if you don't have it already. It's free and open source. Now let's create a mug using Blender. I'm going to import a reference image of a mug that I found and put it in position. Then I will create a new cylinder mesh and scale it to fit the main part of the mug. And now select the vertices at the bottom, extrude, and then scale inwards. Then create a new cube mesh, and we will start working on the handle. Extrude and rotate. Apply the scale for all objects, then select the edges at the top of the face and bevel them. And select the top face and extrude downwards to create the empty space inside the mug. Then we can shade smooth and add a subdivision modifier for the handle to make it really smooth. Remember to apply the modifier before exporting. And then we will start working on the materials. The entire mug will be red, and the inside color will be darker. And congratulations, you've created a mug using Blender. Remember that you can download this mug 3D model for free right now, using the links below. And 99.9% of you are not subscribed. So all I ask is for you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and donate if you can. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing all of your positive feedback is pretty motivating. And let me know what I should make next by commenting down below. And check out some of the games I've made. Your feedback will help me make them better. Thanks for watching. See ya.